Beginning. In short exposition. One summery afternoon, the mother duck finds a place where he can lay her egg under a tree. He gave all his warmth to his egg. The next morning, the egg broke one to one another. Except the fifth one didn't broke. The mother said, "What a beautiful babies I have. What happened to the fifth one? He would be a beautifulest child I ever had." The mother laid it again and gave all his warmth in it, so it will hatch. The next morning, it hatched. The mother was shocked and said, "What the ugly baby it is." Then, the next, they go to the climax. They go to the river. "You so ugly monster. We didn't want to play with you, ugly monster."
Yeah, go away.
The ugly duck looked at his reflection in the water.
I am so ugly that no one loves me. I don't belong to this family.
He go to the deep of the forest. There he find a hen. "You so ugly."
What the ugly fellow?
He cried and walked. Then he find a hen family. He go inside, but pushed up by the chicks. Then he find a dog, and then he saw a dog. The dog sniffed him and went away. Then the pleasant man saw him and adopted him. He went to his wife and children. There was a cat who lives there and didn't want the duck to be in their family, part of their family. The duck lived immediately from the pleasant house. The ugly duck grow up and go and what the ugly duck find a river and he was so happy. He saw a beautiful swan in the lake. He was in love with the swan. he looked his reflection in the water. He was so happy because he grown up to be a handsome young swan.